Hi guys, hope all of us are doing great. In this specific video, we're going to look at the concept of brain waves. And in order for us to measure whether different parts of the body are functioning normally, we're going to measure, try to monitor their various activities and try to see some of the abnormalities. So in this particular case, there's a way in which we can be able to measure the fluctuations of electric potential in different parts of the brain. And of course, this is achieved through the involvement of electroencephalogram, which is sometimes given as an initial of EEG. So in case we come across that to a specific initial, then therefore it's going to be in reference to that aspect of measurement of the activities, especially the brain waves. So in this particular case, then therefore I'm going to use the illustration that I've given on the board. And this is going to consist of four various types of brain waves that we're going to come across. So the first one is referred to as a beta. And then the next one is going to be the alpha, theta, and delta in that specific order. So these brain waves have been given in terms of increasing frequency. So the delta is going to consist of a brain wave that is in between 1 to 3 hertz, and this is the measure of the unit for measuring of that specific frequency. And theta is going to consist of a brain wave that is in between 4 to 8 hertz, alpha 9 to 14 hertz, and beta 15 to 13 waves. Now, in this specific case, of course, we're going to perform this activity of measurement of the brain waves by, of course, trying to use what we refer to as electrodes, which are placed on the scalp using this specific concept of encephalogram, which are the electroencephalogram, which are, of course, mentioned in our introductory part of this specific video. So these are some of the ways in which we can be able to measure activities of various organs of the body. Now, specifically for the brain, then therefore we are going to use that electroencephalogram in trying to, of course, measure these brain activities, which are basically rhythmic fluctuations of electric potential. So in this particular case, the wave which are delta, of course, they are going to show this specific nature on that specific EEG, which of course I've mentioned, which is going to show either deep or dreamless sleep in this specific case. So these are various interpretations that we're going to get from these different signals of the brain. And for the deep relaxation and meditation or problem solving state, we're going to see this particular section of the encephalogram, electroencephalogram being displayed using this specific section. So the display for these alpha waves, which shows meditation or creativity visualization or a relaxed mood, is going to be shown using this specific signal for the brain. And then lastly, we're going to see for an individual who's having normal alertness or conscious or awake, this specific activity is going to be displayed, of course, in this specific order. So therefore, there are various ways in which we are going to measure activities of the brains and other parts of or organs of the body. And this is in the medical field going to assist us to detect any abnormalities that we may come across or abnormal functioning of various organs of the body in that specific order. So catch us in our next videos. We're going to look at other sections of the brain and also some aspects like measurement of the brain activities, which we have mentioned in this specific video. So kindly check our description boxes for various links of other videos which are going to assist us understand these specific topics in a broader way. So I'm going to put a link of our description box in our description box of a link of other videos related to this. So kindly check and subscribe to our channel so that we can be having a collaborative discussion on this specific topic. So that is it for now. Bye, God bless you. Catch us in our next video.